Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at ktalnews.com and your Weather Authority app. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Thursday morning forecast update. We have a ton of weather to talk about over the next 5 to 6 days or so. The chance for rain today staying in the exact same locations across the northern Arklatex, and we do have some rain coming in late this weekend, so it is likely that everybody will see some rain Saturday evening, maybe into early Sunday morning. No severe weather threat this weekend, but with a cold front early next week, we are going to see the potential for some severe storms beginning late Monday, but more likely we'll see that severe weather threat on Tuesday of next week. And of course, we'll get to that in just a moment. We'll run through the temperatures here quickly, since those will remain unchanged for most of us. 60s as well as the low 70s early this morning, and high temperatures similar as we should come in close to 80 in Shreveport, 75 today in Texarkana, and where the rain will be north of I-30 will be in the low 70s in Idabel as well as DeQueen. As if we don't have enough going on, we do have some dense fog that is set up once again this morning, so visibility in DeQueen is down to 1 mile. Expect these numbers will continue to drop off, so you can see these locations here. They're a little bit cooler. This is where we're seeing that fog set up, so from northeast Texas up through Bowie County and into Arkansas as well as Oklahoma. We do have that dense fog advisory until 9 a.m. or so, and also just a little bit of rain passing north of the Arklatex this morning. It doesn't look like we'll see too many showers here prior to sunrise, but between sunrise and noon, we'll likely see at least some of this rain make its way in today, and we'll show you that on your Robin's Data Futurecast here in just a moment. There we go. There's a look at just a few lightly scattered showers early this morning. So for the morning commute, I would expect it will be dry in most areas here, but you can see that rain picking up maybe late morning, early afternoon. And we're showing maybe some of the rain as far south as Shreveport today. We really haven't seen much rain in Shreveport this week, and probably won't see much today. But with this front coming through later this evening, you can see that chance of showers will actually increase for a few areas late this evening. So maybe some rain that comes through while you're sleeping tonight, but all signs kind of point to things drying out a bit for us tomorrow. And then as we head into the weekend, that chance of rain will be returning late Saturday. Possibility will be warm enough here to see a few thunderstorms, but don't expect that we'll see any severe weather this weekend. And as far as the rain, it looks like we could see about a tenth to a quarter inch of rain today, and with the weekend rain, maybe some areas that pick up just over an inch of rain. And then of course we've got a cold front coming in early next week, which could give us another inch or two of rain, so we could see a good 2 to 4 inches of rainfall in all locations here through next Tuesday. And speaking of next Monday and Tuesday, again, likely will be some severe weather here late Monday into Monday night. We could see a few of those storms move into the Arklatex, but it's looking more and more likely that if we do see some severe weather, that will occur on Tuesday. And you can see the Storm Prediction Center has bumped us up to that level 3 enhanced risk as of right now, so they are fairly confident that we will see some significant severe weather on Tuesday, and that would include all modes of severe weather, so not only wind and hail, but the possibility of a few tornadoes as well. And given we're a long ways out, we know this map will probably change around a bit, so make sure you're just checking back for those updates through the weekend. And of course we'll have more on this early next week, as we'll really be able to narrow down the timing as well as the threats here in the upcoming days. So we'll look at your 7-day. We'll drop a few degrees as we go through the weekend. Sunday, the cool day here in the 60s, but we warm up ahead of that cold front Monday, Tuesday. Again, pretty messy day on Tuesday. And for those of you that love the cold air, it should be back with us Wednesday. So it looks like we are going to close out next week with some chilly weather beyond Wednesday.